So no doubt you've received Facebook messages in your inbox in the last few weeks that are just spam. You can tell they're spam because Facebook doesn't actually send messages, they send notifications via the app. And you can obviously see the dodgy link there as well, CAKE, etc. Those words have got different keywords in it, such as violates that I've highlighted there, or trademark, etc. What you can do is you can actually use Facebook automation in order to get rid of these without you having to look at them, and you can immediately mark them as spam so that your autoresponder doesn't kick in, etc. So up there on the right, there's a create message ad and a little funny looking planet site logo, so that is the automation. Once you click that automation logo, you get taken to a screen like this. You create automation, start from scratch. And what I've done is I've actually done one already. So let me go to it and edit it. Name it something relevant. Auto spam messages containing the words violate or trademark. Tick both Messenger and Instagram. And then you start adding your conditions. So if you're familiar with the Zapier or automation, this will be a piece of cake. What you select is new message receive if any of the conditions match in the boxes below, and you add your conditions. So keywords, you add violates. Don't add another one there because otherwise it needs to hold all these keywords. Add the other one, violate, in the singular form, trademark, and go and update these with any more keywords that pop up and annoy you. And then you continue, take the action to mark these as spam. Save the changes, and you're done. Happy days.